Hi, my name is Yelena, and in this video I will show you how to use Lightshot to help us locate a problem you're experiencing with your WordPress website. In your browser, search for Lightshot. Click on the first link. You can download Lightshot for Windows or for Mac depending on the operating system you're using by clicking on the respective option. If you're using Google Chrome, you can add Lightshot as an extension. As you can see, I have it as an extension here. Now, when you want to take a screenshot, just press Print Screen on your keyboard or the Lightshot icon in the extension bar. Then, select the area you want to take a screenshot of, like this. When you mark the desired area, you get a menu allowing you to draw on your screenshot, add arrows, lines, text, etc. Once you take a screenshot, you can save the image by clicking here and then upload it to your ticket or email. Or you can upload it directly to Lightshot and send us the link. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you have any more questions by sending me an email at support@FixRunner.com.